Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And well, with the rollout of Patch Tuesday for July, once you have this installed, you should have some new features enabled. One of the first ones is if you use Bluetooth audio and have a compatible Bluetooth device, you can now share audio with more than one device at the same time. So this means you got a friend over, he's got his earbuds, and you want to listen to the same YouTube video. Well, it requires compatible Bluetooth devices, but it now should be there. The other thing that you should see is that in the settings app, when you go to the recovery, you have a new option. So in the advanced option and recovery, you should see that you now have a point-in-time restore. If you view or edit, you should see a panel come up. And so this is the new and more advanced restore point, basically system restore if you want, but it's way better than system restore in what it does. So that is also something new. File Explorer should be snappier, a little faster. They've done some optimization in there. You possibly will have also the low latency profile, which means that everything that you do should be snappier, faster, especially on lower end machines with less RAM. It really makes a big difference. So you could see that also coming up. And yes, you will also have the ability in Windows Update to pick a date for pausing updates, which actually will be a possibility forever if you just want to pause the updates for a certain amount of time. So these are some of the features that will be there. There are more also. And we kind of expect that every month more new features will show up every month as we go by. So, of course, those are from the preview updates. And if there was any bugs or anything wrong, when they get to the Patch Tuesday, usually, hopefully, they are fixed. So, quite a few new things to examine and to watch in Windows. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.